14-year-old gone missing in Spanish Town after leaving school. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An Ananda alert has been activated and a search is on for a 14-year-old girl, Tavia Goy Tavares, a student of Welch High's Gordon Spence Spanish Town in St. Catherine, who has been missing since Wednesday, June 22. She is of dark complexion, slim-built, and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Spanish Town police are that at about 8 a.m., Tavia Goy left home for school. She was wearing her school uniform, burgundy tunic and a white blouse. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone with information about the whereabouts of Tavia Goy Tavares is being asked to contact the Spanish Town Police at 876-984-2305, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.